Next, we got Sprigatito. Here's the packaging. Side, and yung back. Okay? Build natin. Ang ganda ng series na to. Here's the base, sticker, the card, here's the instruction. Build na natin si Sprigatito. Here's the body. Next is the head. Put it here. Cute. Tail. Sobrang cute. Look at that. Ito yung mga ano niya, effect parts. Yan. Cherry blossom. Tapos tree. And yung grass para sa pang-hold sa feet. Ay kabit natin dun sa base. Here's Sprigatito. And ang cute, ang ganda. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.